The most important relationship that we'll ever have is the one with ourselves.
Imagine waking up every morning feeling loved, inspired, and truly, truly happy.
That's the transformative journey of self-love.
Hi, I'm Shilpa.
I am Shailaja.
Welcome to our seventh podcast where we will be talking about how to love yourself. That's one of my favorite topics.
So Shilpa, before we start this podcast, I'd like to point out that you're looking amazingly beautiful today.
Thank you so much, Shailaja. And I seriously feel that you are looking so pretty today.
Thank you so much. So, did you notice how uncomfortable we get when we're actually getting compliments? How we are not able to receive compliments, right? And why does that happen?
And how we actually just return back the compliments because we so not used to taking compliments, but deep down we so want people to compliment us. Has this happened with any of you? I think it has happened with each one of us.
Yes, it has happened with me many times. Earlier, I used to be extremely uncomfortable. Like I did want validation, but when I actually got it, I used to get uncomfortable, and I would be like, no, no, you're also very like I would be complimented a lot on my smile. Okay, like when I was growing up, a lot of people would say you have a very wonderful smile, and I was shy by temperament, and I would say thank you, and then I'd like you also have a wonderful smile. I'll always return it back.
Absolutely. And why do you think it really happens? The number one reason that it happens is we are not used to loving ourselves. We easily compliment the other person. We tell our partners, our friends, our family, oh, you look so pretty today. You look so beautiful today. You are doing such amazing work. But when it comes to receiving compliments or complimenting ourselves, we shy away because, we don't love ourselves the way we love other people.
Yeah, very true. And somewhere, I don't know, do we even consider that compliment? Like if someone has complimented me on some task that I must have done or some work, I know that, most of us, what we do, if someone compliments or say, oh, you've done this amazingly, you just say, oh, no, I just got lucky.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? And
True.
like, if you put in that effort, why are you saying that you got lucky? Right.
Absolutely. I know. Why don't you accept that, it's the hard work which has went behind what you've achieved today.
Yeah.
But what comes to my mind when it comes to the journey of self-love? I mean, I've been on this journey since 9 years now. Prior to it, it was like an alien word for me. And like everybody, we all know that, in our society, we've been grown up as an adult, as an individual, where we've always been told to take care of others, to be
Yeah.
loved by others, to expect from others.
Yeah.
Nobody has ever taught us कि खुद से प्यार कैसे करना है या हम खुद के लिए कितना important है.
Yeah.
This very important thing that I've known that the most important, like we said, the most important relationship a person can have is with themselves. But
Yeah.
that's the most difficult relationship we have. We don't understand ourselves. We don't know who we are. We
Yeah.
don't even know what we like as an individual. अगर मैं instantly पूछोगे what are your hobbies, what is it that Shailaja you love, what is it that you want to do in this moment, maybe कभी मौका नहीं मिला, I'm sure you'll go blank for a moment. But if I'll ask you, what does your husband like, what does he loves eating, what does he do in his free time, you will enjoy and tell me like
Yeah.
he loves doing this, and so easily you can tell.
Yeah. Yeah. So
पर आता है we take a back seat.
wait, especially when you speak, when you talk about eating, I mean, all mothers, all the mothers, I won't even say most of the mothers, all the mothers, they would cook that food and they would serve, and there would be hardly anything remaining for them. I remember how many times my mom has eaten sambar rice and rasam rice and all that without vegetables
Yeah.
because all the vegetables went to the husband and the kids, right? And
This reminded me एक मूवी देखी थी मैंने 2-3 months back. There was a movie called लापता लेडीज. तो
oh
उसमें
yeah,
बहुत पुराना एक कॉन्सेप्ट दिखाया था विलेज लाइफ एंड ऑल.
yeah,
एंड जो उसकी बहू होती है मूवी में, शी सेज अपनी मदर इन लॉ को, आप अपनी अपनी फेवरेट कुजीन क्यों नहीं बनाते हो, व्हाट
हाँ.
यू. उसका डायलॉग था कि अब के औरतें भी अपनी मर्जी का खाएंगी, अपनी पसंद से खाएंगी. लाइक वाओ, दैट्स द माइंडसेट आवर एंसेस्टर्स यूज्ड टू हैव.
Yeah, yeah. So, and somewhere, I know that, mom we used to feel a little unhealthy in between once or twice. And when you're just serving others, you're not filling yourself up, right? How is it that you're going to have that sustained energy to keep serving others?
Yeah,
I think of this thing in the airplane when they say, right, अपना oxygen पहले अपने को दो and
true.
then go and help someone else.
Absolutely. So, Shailaja, don't you think examples of self-love or
Mhm.
how to love yourself was always around?
Oh,
But because of our conditioning, we are so programmed of taking care of other people first before us. Like you said, our mothers. You
yeah,
know, I've also seen my mother a lot of times not eating food क्योंकि खत्म हो गया by the time everybody has eaten. Or
yeah,
she just eat अचार के साथ रोटी. But you know,
exactly.
she will not
That's my
cook for
best friend.
herself. या फिर अगर किसी दिन my father is not home, she'll say अच्छा हम मैं ही तो हूँ अपने लिए मैं कुछ भी खा लूंगी. You know,
Exactly.
at times I'll tell her why, the way you can cook for him, why can't you just cook for yourself?
Exactly.
Exactly similar thing happened to me when I embarked on this journey of self-love. And before that, I was literally going through depression for 3 years. And this concept of self love was very alien to me. And
Mm.
trust me, when I sat with myself and I just was going through those inner dialogues and getting to know myself, and I was like, it took me at least a month or two to even understand what Shilpa as a person even likes to eat. Because every time I used to go to a restaurant, किसी friend ने order किया, I'll eat that. Parents ने order किया, I'll eat that. Siblings ने order किया, I'll eat that. So मुझे यही नहीं पता था what is it that I like eating.
Yeah. 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 So I think now I think I am also reminded of my childhood where we had to kind of, I mean, we were four siblings, and you had to while going for shopping, there's a set budget, right? And I always used to tell my mom, you know what, mom, मेरे लिए कुछ भी चलेगा, बहन को जो चाहिए वो दे दो. Like I used to really, I still love and admire and adore her, and I was like, just give her what she wants. Just look at the happiness on her face, right?
Yeah.
मेरे को कुछ भी चलेगा. I am okay with that. I am okay with any kind of clothing, non-branded, completely fine. And now when I reflect back, and now when I think back, and I realize, oh my God, these are these are situations which actually tell me, how much I want gave myself that importance, right?
True.
How much of uh, did I say that, I want this or I want that? And
Yeah.
now the tables have turned. Now my sisters are like, what, Shailaja, you say, what is it that you want? You choose first, and then we will choose later. So
And I'm
now,
sure the tables turned because you started valuing yourself. You started standing for yourself. Only then the tables turn. Otherwise, it'll never change. And self-love is never selfish. But
yeah,
there's a very fine line which
yeah,
people, don't understand. A lot of people have that ego and they feel, oh, I am very important. And they look down upon the other person and they feel that's self-love. But
yeah,
self-love for me, I would say, is when I value myself, I respect myself, and I'm not devaluing the other person.
yeah,
I'm still respecting the other person. That's when my ego is not hitting me.
yeah,
So I'm selfless when it comes to loving myself. There's no ego. And I'm choosing myself as well. Like you said, when it comes to clothing, you never chose. But, I'm not rejecting myself here. I'm equally loving myself. And that's equally important for my soul's growth.
yeah, yeah. It reminds me one of our conversations which we had in the previous podcast about respect and about all the values that we're expecting in someone, so our partner or our relationships,
Yeah.
right? And how are we doing that? Are
To
we doing
ourselves.
for ourselves, right? Are we doing that for ourselves? If I love someone and I'm doing things for themselves, right? Am I doing the same things for myself or things which I want?
I think most of us are not doing it.
Or
I
not?
can forgive my partner for maybe disrespecting me. But if I am doing something, I'm becoming so harsh to myself. I forget that gentleness that I have towards my partner, but not me.
Exactly, right? So, how much kind attention am I paying to myself? What are the internal dialogues that I have with myself? Shilpa, these internal dialogues, I've actually done a couple of sessions on those. They are very important.
Oh, absolutely.
Like I know people who say that, I should be like this, I must do this. All these shoulds and musts, these are all norms which are just set by the society,
They
right?
should be thrown into the bin.
Does it work for us?
Yeah.
Who said that you should be such kind of a person, right? And in that quest, I am just putting so many restrictions on myself that I'm actually
The
forgetting
pressure on yourself.
exactly. I'm putting so much of pressure on myself, and I am raising my own standard every time, not even appreciating myself when I have reached a certain level, not celebrating my success, and just pushing myself up, up, up. So, where is that kind attention that we talk about? Am I paying kind attention to myself? This
Absolutely.
who has worked, achieved, contributed, done so much, have I paid that much attention to myself?
Absolutely. In fact, that's a very beautiful thing that you've just said. I mean, that's what our society has brought to us. The magazines that we read, the models on the magazine cover, we think, that's what the beauty standard is. And then I look down upon myself thinking I'm not beautiful. Or if I look at a fitness model and I'm like, oh, she's so perfect. Her curves are so perfect, and I look so out of shape. And I look down upon myself every time. And then those internal dialogues, of course, I'm not good enough. Nobody loves me. Nobody can love me if I look a certain way. So we
Yeah,
start disrespecting and disvaluing ourselves because we don't see that, like you said, we don't see how much efforts I have made in my journey from coming from this point to this point. And I
yeah,
start looking at myself as a failure.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड यहाँ है और मैं यहाँ हूँ. So
yeah,
there's a mismatch and society को लगता है ये perfect है, मैं तो यही हूँ, nobody will love me. So
yeah,
we start forgetting how to love ourselves at the first place.
yeah, yeah. And now that you mentioned beauty and magazines and all these things, like we know a lot of people actually just say that, oh, I'm doing this for my face and I'm doing that, and maybe manicures and pedicures and bubble baths and all that. And I think that's somewhere that has taken the definition of self-love.
Absolutely. I mean, that's very surprising. People think, oh, I go to the salon, I'm well groomed, I eat my favorite food, and this is self-love for me. But it's way deeper.
Yeah, it's way deeper. It's about, I think, self-worth is one word that resonates a lot for me. Like, how much do I worth myself,
How
right?
much do you respect yourself?
Respect again, how much do I, talk on those, how much do I imbibe those things in myself? And how is that what I'm projecting? Like, if I am going to a parlor and doing all those things, but I am coming back to a home where I am not standing up for myself, where I am not doing things for my own happiness, right? Where I am not respecting my own commitments. Like, if I tell myself, okay, I'm getting up in the morning and going to the gym, am I committing to myself? I commit to my family members and I finish everything that I commit to them. I do everything that I'm supposed to do for them. Interestingly, in one of these classes that I was sessions I was taking, I spoke about, suppose you're not well. Okay, Shilpa, suppose you're not well. Okay, and you have to eat something, right? You'll just end up ordering food because you don't have that strength and energy. But the same thing, if there is a child and you're not well, you will lift yourself up, go to the kitchen, cook that food for that child or for that husband or for the mother, and then feed.
Yeah, 100%.
Hmm.
That's the difference. That's what I was saying in the beginning, that we don't treat ourselves with the same love, same respect, the way
Yeah.
we treat our relationships. But imagine the power of self-love, Shailaja. अगर हम सब वही चीजें जो दूसरों के लिए कर रहे हैं, खुद के लिए करना शुरू कर दें, how powerful we become as an individual.
Yes.
I
And
don't now have to expect and seek something from the other person because all of those things are already inside of me. मुझे happiness चाहिए. I know the happiness. I have a happiness button inside me. I just have to press that. The
yes.
way I'm committing to other people, I need to commit to myself. You know,
Yes.
if I want respect, I need to respect myself first. Or if my husband or my spouse or my kids or my family members or my friends are disrespecting me, am I standing for myself in that moment and stopping them from disrespecting me?
Yes.
That's what true self-love is. When you
Yes.
are standing for yourself, you're raising your own bars.
Yeah. And you don't need to seek external validation after that.
Yeah.
You don't need people to come and tell you. You don't need anything. And also these external validations or external comments or external things will not affect you. Like, I know people just stop pursuing their hobbies
Hmm.
because either music or anything, even if someone talks a little bit negative about that.
वो तुम्हें तो आता ही नहीं ना. You think you sing like Lata Mangeshkar, but you have such a bad voice and you stop singing all of a sudden.
मतलब हम लता मंगेशकर को मतलब वो लेवल रीच करने के लिए नहीं गा रहे हैं, हम इसीलिए गा रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें वो एंजॉयमेंट मिलता है। हम
I think
इसीलिए डांस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें वो एंजॉयमेंट मिलता है।
it's just about fun, having fun, doing things which I've just enjoyed. I don't have to be a master in that field. I don't have to be a master in every field. I just have to do it for fun and enjoyment.
Exactly. So why do we conduct ourselves according to what the other person is thinking
Hmm.
or is sharing or is communicating, right? So
And
this
I think that's happening because self-respect नहीं है, low self-worth है, इसीलिए जो सामने वाला कह रहा है, I'm considering that as my truth.
वही कॉन्फिडेंस भी डाउन हो जाता है। हमें हमें हमारे हमारा ऑरा ऐसा बनाना है that these things don't affect us.
I think, that brought me to a point where I remember growing up, a lot of times I've heard from people, oh, you're not pretty, oh, you don't look good, you don't. And what happens, when you hear these things again and again, you
Hmm.
think that's your reality.
Yeah.
Now, every time I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I'm saying, look at yourself, you look so bad, you look so ugly.
Hmm.
There's no love for myself. And
Hmm.
all the things that I'm telling myself is always very negative.
Yeah.
The day I realized I am beautiful the way I am, irrespective of the standards in the magazines, irrespective of what people in the society think what beauty is, I am beautiful the way I am, if even if I look a certain way. From that moment onwards, even if you don't tell me or you tell me that you look ugly, I feel I'm beautiful from inside. And that's the power of self-love.
Yeah. And you're also like, that empty cup cannot fill up. If the cup is empty, you can't give anything. The
Mm.
more you are empowered as a person, the more you are filled up with all the love and the kindness and the affection that you require, you are at a place to give. So this is where that whole selfish, a lot of people ask me, isn't it selfish? Actually, it's not selfish.
It's
Keep
a
your
thin line between being selfish and between the love that we are talking about.
Yeah, yeah. So you are full and then you're giving. You are at a place of giving, right? And you should also be at the place of receiving.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
like I complimented you, you complimented me. And
yeah.
how open are we to receiving
That
compliments?
reminds me, Karina Kapoor from Jab We Met, like he keeps saying, मैं तो मेरी favorite हूँ. I
I
mean, that's
love
what you
it.
have to be. That's the persona you should have that, I just love myself. I don't care about your opinion, dude. I just love myself. You
Yeah.
know? जैसे अगर you compliment me, and I'm like, हाँ, मैं तो रोज ही सुंदर लगती हूँ, इसमें ऐसा क्या है? Tell me something I don't know about. But there's no arrogance here. Oh, you look ugly, I look pretty. There's no arrogance. And I'm like, okay, wow, cool.
Yeah.
I look pretty and I know it. That's it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love that dialogue. Thanks for reminding that. मैं तो मेरी favorite हूँ.
Absolutely. And I
Yeah.
think self-love is essential, and the best thing is to get that love for yourself. ना कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to beg for relationships. You don't have to have a partner. You don't have to have that love from your parents or anyone. That love is inside your own being. बस
Yeah.
हमें अपने आप को उससे connect करना है. And hence, the most difficult chapter one can ever read is themselves. You have to find yourself. You have to know yourself because हर soul अलग journey पर है. I don't have to compare myself. Oh, Shailaja looks a certain way. She earns a certain way. She has certain relationships. I'm not here to compete with you.
Yeah.
The day I stop competing myself with others, and the day I compete with my version of who I was 6 months back, or 1 year back, or 2 years back, that's where real self love lies. Because now I'm better than what I was 6 months back.
Hmm.
Today I'm better than what I was 1 month back. And
Yeah.
that's the power of, empowering yourself, loving yourself, which comes only from inside of you.
Yeah. And since we speak of energy in all our sessions, I think energetically also we attract, right? We attract. If I love myself more, I actually end up attracting more love from everyone around me.
Be around you. Yeah, you attract because you're now vibing at that frequency of love.
Yeah.
And then every person, every situation that you encounter is only bringing you love.
Yeah.
There was a time, during COVID, Shailaja, if you remember, बहुत सारे लोग depression में आ गए थे. There were a lot of divorces happening. A lot of people were sulking about life. And trust me, if I look back, I always say that COVID was the best period of my life. This time because of COVID, my work had shut. I was traveling for my salon and I couldn't go. And I was in a habit of being out of my house for 15 hours in a day. And imagine all of a sudden sitting at home. For
Yeah.
first 1 week, I was struggling like mad. I was annoyed. I was just screaming at everybody because I was losing patience. I couldn't sit at home. But then I just calmed myself. I spoke to myself that I'm just not the only one. ये सबके साथ हो रहा है. I
Yeah.
should now use this opportunity to build myself, and trust me, those couple of months when we all were home, I did so much of self work. I learned so much. I enrolled myself in courses. I literally empowered myself. And उस moment में, when I was working on myself, trust me, I was very active on social media because of my work. I was creating videos and I was learning all this content creation उस time पर. A lot of people from nowhere came. They gave me their courses which they have bought, paid courses for free. That just take it, you'll do justice to it. Then
Wow.
when I started doing my recordings, first time when I faced the camera, it was super difficult, super tough for me. But then I gave myself a 30 days challenge ki chalo, I have to get rid of my camera fear. And then there were people who were so supportive, strangers, who would come and watch me live every single day. And that
Wow.
gives me so much of motivation. Wow. In fact, family members and relatives, they were the ones who were bringing me down saying, oh, this is not meant for you. You should not do. And I was like, okay, whatever. But just strangers were support de rahe the, I was like, wow. And I was receiving that love from everybody because I could feel that love for myself. I was enjoying life after that first week of COVID. I said, okay, I want to change this energy around me. I want to gain the maximum of this time. And I attracted so many beautiful people. And I would say because of them, today I'm on this journey.
Wonderful. I think that's very motivating to hear.
Yeah.
So what are the things that we can actually do to start? Because I think many of us would just think of few things and then do that and think that that self love is something that we are doing on a regular basis. I think we need to do some few things that every day morning, like have maybe a routine where just go to the mirror and say I love you. Like
Yeah.
I can go to the mirror and say, Shailaja, I love you. Shailaja, I love you. I love you. When I keep saying I love you, I love you, I love you, I'm actually creating new neural pathways in my brain and actually increasing self-love.
And Shailaja, that brings me to a point. I remember I was watching a podcast earlier, and the host was asking the other person, कितनी बार अपने आप को I love you बोला? And people were like, अपने आप को कौन बोलता है? That's how people think. Because I can say I love you to my partner 100 times or
Yeah.
my family. But हम लोग खुद को नहीं बोल पाते. And when you look at yourself in the mirror into your eyes and say I love you, trust me, when I did that exercise for the first time, I had tears because my soul wanted to hear that for years खुद से. And मैंने शायद खुद से कभी अपने आप को I love you नहीं बोला. I was expecting other people, and when जब वो नहीं बोल रहे थे, I was heartbroken.
Yeah.
But मेरी सोल बोल रही है यार मुझे देखो, I'm here, I'm listening, I'm craving that attention from you. And I was full of tears, and it was such a beautiful feeling.
Yeah. So saying this actually, obviously, energetically also you're loving yourself. Scientifically also your brain is actually comfortable with that, and you are kind, you are gentle to yourself. If you do something great, you actually celebrate it. If someone compliments you, you receive it, right? So I think this is one exercise which is a very powerful exercise.
Absolutely. And another thing that really worked for me is, from one of the mentors which I've learned is, a lot of time we've criticized ourselves. We've always spoken about this negative self-talk. I might have not hated the other person in front of me as much as I've hated myself because of all the pressure I've put on me. So
Yeah.
every time you were standing in front of the mirror, just say 7 things. Trust me, if you do it for 21 days, your life will change. Say 7 things that you're proud of yourself.
Hmm.
7 things that you are committing yourself to do from this moment on. And 7 things that you forgive yourself for. You might have done so many wrong things. And it is so powerful, Shailaja. Trust me, जब मैंने पहली बार किया ना, I was blank. 2 चीजों के बाद कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Because I haven't felt that I can do something or I can achieve something. So I never received that moments of proudness, like I said. So I was like, कुछ करा है life में, and I couldn't think of anything where I could feel proud of. Or when it came to commitment, because like you said, we keep breaking our own commitments. I
Yeah.
could just not feel that connection with myself. Or
Yeah.
when I say I'm proud of you, or I commit yourself, or I forgive you to yourself too. So I'm just blank and I don't know what is it that I need to tell myself. But जब
Yeah.
आप gradually practice करोगे, you will form that bond with your inner child that it
Yeah.
always wanted, that love from you.
Yeah. So interesting because Shilpa, the same thing. If I tell you that, you know what, Shilpa, I don't know what I've achieved in life, you will point out those things, you'll point out 10, 20, 50 things, right?
Absolutely.
It's easier for us to do it for others,
Huh.
but when it comes to ourselves, we're not able to do that. So I think this is a wonderful exercise, especially the forgiveness part.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't think people forgive themselves. I mean, I know in the past, I must not have forgiven myself for many things. So,
Yeah.
that'll also be very powerful to increase the self-love quotient in
There are
ourselves.
multiple practices, but the idea is to just get started, to absorb the idea of loving yourself. I remember I was having a conversation with one of my relative, and she just took me and sat with me. And she's like, "तुम काम क्या करती हो?" I said, "I help people love themselves." And she's like, "जरूरत क्या है? If I want love, I can ask my husband. If I want love, I can ask my kids." I'm like, "Okay, I can't explain, but ठीक है." I just said, I'm just working on myself and I'm just trying to be happy in whatever I do. See, that's what I realized कि people are this idea of self-love is very alien to people.
Yeah, it's very alien. There's not much awareness. There's not much insight actually, right? There's not much insight that, okay, something like this is there.
Yeah.
And if I do this, then I'm more empowered and I can give more.
Okay, let me just ask you first question, Shailaja. Who's the person you love the most? First answer that comes to you.
Myself.
I said, somebody asked me this question couple of years back, and I think I named almost 10 people in the list. I love this person, I love this person, I love this person, and उसमें मेरा नाम था ही नहीं.
You know what? When you asked me, I said myself, and then my dogs their images just popped up in my head. And I was like, okay, what are you doing? Is it myself or is it your
But
dog?
for most of us, Shailaja, if you know, like I said, 10 लोगों के नाम में मैंने खुद का नाम नहीं डाला because that's how we programmed. We
Yeah.
know how many people we love, but हम खुद को प्यार नहीं करते. Maybe if I love myself, I'll be the maybe seventh or the eighth or the 10th person in the list. I will not be the number one person on my list. Oh, I love my partner so much. Oh, I love my child so much. I can't live without him or her. But where are you in that picture?
Where are you in that sequence? I think you're number one.
Yeah. So I think this is one topic. It's just not a topic, it's a being.
Yeah.
And people don't understand this. And I think that defines you, that gives you the energy of living your best life.
Yes. Which is it's the ultimate purpose, right? To live.
Ultimate purpose. हम लोग वो love दूसरों में ढूंढते हैं, and that is why most of our relationships are suffering. That's why most of us are unhappy because वो expectations किसी और से हैं. And
Yeah.
when that person is not meeting our expectations, we are always frowning. We are like very sad. We are depressed.
पहले वो
मैं उसके लिए इतना
एक्सपेक्टेशन
कुछ कर रहा हूँ, बट वो मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहा है.
पहले वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस खुद से रख लो.
Exactly. But
Yeah.
commit karo. You remember we both started doing that exercise every morning you wake up. Commit 5 things that you can do today. It can be as small as drinking 3 liters of water
Exactly.
or sleeping at 11 o'clock when you don't do that. But fulfilling those commitments.
Yeah. Fulfilling those
That's
commitments
what self-love is.
for yourself, basically fulfilling those things for yourself, not for anyone else, just for yourself. Just pick up one thing, just one thing. Maybe a hobby, music, dance, or anything like water, just drinking water for yourself, for your health, or committing to having salad every day, just for yourself, not for anyone else.
And
Yeah.
that's a very beautiful way of doing things for yourself. I have so many friends and family members who would say, यार लाइफ में इतना काम है, खुद के लिए टाइम कहाँ है? अगर आप खुद के लिए टाइम नहीं निकाल रहे हो, then you're actually living in a survival mode. जब आप किसी external factor पे अपनी पूरी energy दे रहे हो, and when that thing or that situation disappears, you're only left with loneliness and pain.
You know what I tell people when they say time nahi hai? I just give a reality check because 1%, 4% is 1 hour out of 24 hours, right? So I asked them, do you have 1 hour? Do you have 4%? Do you have 1 hour or 4%? They'll say no. Okay. Do you have 2% of your day to give? Then it starts setting in. And then
Yeah.
I say, fine, do you have 1%? And then they say, yes, I can give 1% of my whole day to myself. And that is where your
That's
15
all we need. You don't need to have 20 hours for yourself.
minutes,
Yeah.
1 of your day, just for yourself. Paint or sing or dance just for
Yeah. I
this.
mean, you don't have to be a professional in every area. I mean, I just sing just because I just have fun singing, or I just dance because I enjoy dancing. I'm not a good dancer, I'm not a good singer, but I just enjoy it. And
Yeah,
that's what brings me happiness, a smile on my face. Like
yeah,
today morning when I woke up, I was feeling very, I just wanted to sleep for some more time, and I said, "Nahi yaar, nahi utna hai." And then, I just played a music and I just started dancing in front of the mirror. And
yeah.
that shifted my energy. I was not trying to be a professional dancer, but I just wanted to change my energy and it just shifted everything for me.
And I think something similar happened to me today morning. I didn't feel like getting up. I think it was in the air or something. And my dogs were there with me. And I got up, I brushed, and I came back and I saw the bed. And I was like, you know what? Chuck it. I just went and I cuddled with them for another 30 minutes. And I said, okay, this is bliss. This is heaven. And you deserve this.
True. I mean, these things really matter. The energy could shift because you wanted to make that connection for yourself,
Yeah.
right? So always remember, जो flights में बोलते हैं ना, help yourself first before you help the other person with a mask. So that
Yeah.
they say it for a reason.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that also reminds me, एक बार, when I was doing my MBA, मुझसे एक question पूछा था during when the companies come for hiring and all,
Ah.
placements के लिए आते हैं. So I remember there was this person who asked me this question कि अगर आप flight में हो and flight में अचानक से there's a fire and there's just one parachute and there are two people you love the most, your husband and your child. Who would you give that parachute to? I mean, I could think of both of them, but I couldn't think of myself in that situation. Because उस समय पता ही नहीं था self love क्या होता है. So it's always about giving for the other person. But
Yeah.
then, now when I think of the answer, I realize कि मरना तो वैसे भी है. Why not take that risk and three of us jump together?
Yeah.
And maybe, we are able to save ourselves.
Exactly.
That's what self love is. I'm also including myself.
Yeah. Very powerful.
Yeah.
It is actually.
So I think I don't want to call this as a concept or an
Mm.
alien concept. I think it's the way of being, the way we all should live.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what self love to me is.
Yeah. What are the internal dialogues that you tell yourself? What is the
What you do for yourself, all the things that you would want to do for others. एक बहुत powerful चीज है for self love, writing love letters to yourself.
Mhm.
Writing all those things that you always wanted to hear from your parents, you always wanted to hear from your partner.
Oh, that
Write all those things, and Shailaja, जब वो लिखोगे ना, you'll feel so empowered. And tears, I can vouch on that you'll start crying अगर वो दिल से letter लिखा होगा. Because then you're telling yourself, Shailaja, you look so beautiful. Shailaja, you are the most important person in my life. You're telling this to yourself. Shailaja, I'm your biggest cheerleader.
yeah, that will definitely make it teary.
Yeah. And then when you're reading, wow, I wrote this for myself.
Yeah.
I don't need somebody else to come and compliment. Of course, I'll feel good. But I am the number one person who needs to understand myself first.
Yeah. Yeah. I had written one letter like this some time back, and it did tear me up.
And I give you this as a challenge that in this week, just write a letter to yourself and then read it multiple times. Read it as if you're writing to your husband or your boyfriend or your children.
Yeah.
So,
One.
guys, that's what we want to tell each one of you, that self love is a journey. Take time to love the most important person in your life, and that's the person you look into the mirror every single day. Because, that's the only person who've always been with you throughout. बाकी लोग आए होंगे और गए भी होंगे, but you're the only person who've stayed with yourself forever.
Yeah. Tell yourself I love you every day in the mirror. Write a love letter to yourself.
और एक बहुत क्यूट सी चीज है जो कर सकते हैं सब, exercise of doing I love you and जो हम लोगों ने भी discuss किया, I'm proud, I commit and I forgive. That's like an exercise that we do. Every time you just walking into the room or you in the going to the bathroom, जब हाँ जहाँ mirror लगा हुआ है, just dance like for a second and just say, oh, you look so hot today. You look so beautiful today. Trust me, that will change your energy even in the worst of mood. Because you're crazily telling yourself, oh, you look so sexy today. You look so hot today. हम लोग क्या करते हैं मिरर में 90% ऑफ द टाइम वी लुक एट द रॉन्ग थिंग्स इन अस oh look at my curves, I'm so out of shape, look at my color, look at my hair, I look so messed up.
Yeah.
But यही हम उल्टा कर रहे हैं, we just reversing the psychology behind it.
Yeah, yeah. I,
And
I don't
it's fun.
I don't know if I should be sharing this, but my husband, I literally call him like I just tell him you're just so full of yourself. He will look into the mirror, like if I am in front of the mirror, he will look into the mirror and he'll be like, "Oh, I'm so good looking," and he'll be like, "You're so lucky." He'll look at me and he'll say, "You're
Exactly,
so
that's
lucky."
what I want everyone to
I'm
do.
like just looking at him. I'm like, really?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that reminds me of my nephew. He's 3 now. I think जब वो 2 years का था, he would just go to the mirror in my room जब भी वो घर आता था. He would kiss himself and he'll smile and say, "Oh, मैं कितना सुंदर लग रहा हूँ." And I'm like, wow, this little one knows the meaning of self-love. And he'll kiss himself into the mirror.
Wow, that's so cute.
And that's what I learned from this little one that, it's so easy अगर हम करना चाहें to love ourselves.
Yeah, yeah. It's actually easy.
It's actually easy.
But we're just being hard on ourselves. Guys, just chill, just enjoy, just keep it cool, just have a good, happy, fun-loving life. It's just one life, right?
It's one life, just enjoy, live to the fullest, love yourself, forgive yourself, be gentle on yourself because you are the most important person in your life.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I think, we both can go on and on and on this topic. But we'll have to end it here. Maybe we can create another podcast sometimes later on this beautiful topic because
Yeah.
I think this is your base, अगर खुद के लिए प्यार होगा तो you can create anything magically.
This is where everything starts. Your whole life, your relationships, everything starts.
And for me, Shailesh, I think self-love made me believe in magic. It made me believe in the power of receiving. पहले
Yeah.
I used to say कि, कुछ मांगने से नहीं मिलता है.
Mm.
I grew up telling this to myself. So imagine the quality of life I might have lived. नहीं मिलता तो जो था वो भी शायद चला गया. But
That's
now I always tell myself there is nothing that can not happen. I can ask and I shall receive. Whatever I'm seeking, it's also seeking me. I keep reminding myself of all of that.
and they say, right? Ask and you shall receive. But just ask.
Ask. मांगना होगा. If you don't stand for yourself, nobody else will stand for you.
Yeah.
So love yourself, guys. That's the most important thing that you should be doing in your life.
Yes, this podcast is filled with a lot of love from our end also.
And we love each one of you here. And we would come back next week with another beautiful topic. And also in the comments, do let us know what are the practices that you guys do to love yourself. And which amongst the practices that we have shared you've enjoyed doing the most.
Yes, please do share, subscribe, like, and comment and keep it interactive. It's fun for us also to know how are things going at your end. What is it that you are doing for yourself? We'll get to learn.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Shailaja, and lots of love to each one of you.